minority leader in parliament. Afutu member of parliament, yes. Afutu Central. I feel that in fact, the speech Anakasa Okayano, Anweshi, that the section of the minority is said. They order Inspector General of Police and the Chief Justice. So mubaba no ba be ni baby o ano ni chichu pa ye. The detention of Chaba Kwame Bafo Abronye, regional chairman. Now I am told, sir, about 5 days, they say ni 6 and 7 1 year rate. Onya didi ye. Hey, Kwame Besiro didi o. Now who yama ready? Who yama for? Kwame didi. As that is all that, baby say na usuro the kind of food ye de be ba wine de be bread or de be wuram ni ane hu wo. Ko timi nyi ni pani. Yeah. Kwame didi. Didi no abre. Didi na atamfonsa bejiri nyame awma Jona akose densu eyem no omani pie o ube pie didi why na when dina bibiya we be hadwe pa Kwame mesraw yetie de minority leader Federal Market sekai
me in custody. In fact, at first, his pronouncement was that Abronyo should go to Insawo until the case is finally determined. He's already prejudiced the outcome of the case. And this man says he's a judge. I should respect him. No. And some fool say, you did. Me in custody. In fact, at first, his pronouncement was that Abronyo should go to Insawo until the case is finally determined. He's already prejudiced the outcome of the case. And this man says he's a judge. I should respect him. No. And some fool say, you did. Me in custody.
Federal markings. Osanya Federal markings on the decision of the judge.
Abronyo should go to Insawo until the case is finally determined. He's already prejudiced the outcome.
No, I was asking myself, hey,
and this man says,
and there's a way to so what here the ma Abronyo yachini dia. And that's how Federal so bet you know. Was Abronyo the other car say
in custody. In fact, at first,
the judge is a political judge because Adentina case bia
is finally determined.
Maybe.
And this man says
Udru Sunyania. So was Sunyani West Kra, Sunyani East. Near Chona, the there was the Dwako Sunyani West. Hey,
in custody over from East West.
Court it one say
the case.
Why if you are back and say,
it's finally determined.
Case time judge no by young lady. I don't know so run and what case bia political bibi about bibi no both the hot near Deco, Sunyani West near Deco. So one say that one win one till Lord that's
his pronouncement was that Abronyo should go to Insawo.
Agenda no raise because Adentina type of case
he's already prejudiced the outcome of the case. And this man says a judge.
Got it what do? Already what that about for and it could be the crash judge in the movie.
In custody, it
could be the only movie. But it could form as a young fan
until the case.
He's
already prejudiced the outcome of the case.
And the other Federal
I should respect him.
Sir, the way he is a lawyer. Federal Market is a lawyer. It will be managed. Until never walk. On bet my community because on the enemy brand baby. Now no pa obejina baby and no pa so you careful.
It's finally
but what he's saying is say
the outcome of the case.
Let's say
I should respect him.
Case Chaba Kwame Baffa bro you can say so already the way case this here cry say immediate court also the case there's this particular judge the court for a while near the assembly.
It's finally determined. He's already
no matter how the situation is a while near the
this man says he's a judge. I should respect him.
Me
and some fool say in
the law you may be or go overboard
in custody.
But I should
go to Insawop.
Is it true?
The
Judicial Council the dead on my found
the case. And this man says
because sometimes you are free and then you may be yes but to go kind of contempt so sometimes you have to look into the merits of the case say
should go to Insawop.
In as much as say pano go overboard eki kan sembi according to omono go overboard ko kikan but yes say aso eyesa na tia na enya sa na tie that was the adwene aso to from bawo go me dia me se me hu bi na suspect charge we dey calculated example from one district to another district all for a particular judge and one we obiti abontia sa no hu no ebi so anente sa ebi so anete sa there is no smoke without fire there is no smoke without fire so aside say ye mamra na hwehwe ma hwe de kan say waka say tia judge no a contempt and whatever it is ye hwe case ni mu ye mu ye. The reason why Suntia Abia every day that kind of line of case no a Hong Kong ye pese ye deko. Yenhwemu ye. My am funny try find am yourself. Because judges are human beings. Some are devils, some are diabolic. Te say the adwuma bi ebi wom no. Te adwuma bi wom. Doctors ebi wom, nurses ebi wom, lawyers. Ye wo nipa bi wom ya bonsamfo ankasa. The profession at Tunchen. I know my own mini gosh. Yankopon peso be assume omu. Tisabi se hunu ne biti omu koto oye ebimo. Edi amfa ye ni ahwem ne be nzo contempt say but na ye hwe asem na ebia there's an iota of truth. I say holistically ye hwe asem ni hwe the exact nature of the case. And as much as the law wants to deal with the corporate, yansha the situation also. Because every profession, even the judges are aware, every profession, obenya nipa ba ko obu or young professional, nipa ba ko obu one dia boni empa wa ese huruye boni moja mpa ditrim da boni
except as permitted by law.
Odi yente the full emrans na yento aso
immediately in a language he understands of the reasons of his arrest. The Constitution, the 14 of the 1992 Constitution, requires that no person shall be deprived of his personal liberty except as permitted by law, and that every arrested person shall be informed immediately in a language he understands of the reasons of his arrest. The Constitution therefore puts before the Ghana Police Service, the Bureau of National Investigation, as well as that Circuit Court 9, which was supposed to be presided over by a judge who has taken a judicial oath, a clear and unambiguous notice of the civil liberties provided for by the Constitution. These are rights guaranteed, far rights. The production of a signed and certified remand order is not a technicality. It is a constitutional imperative. Its absence, if confirmed, would rather render this detention not merely improper but unlawful. What we are witnessing is either a crass dereliction of duty or a raw and deliberate exercise of power designed to show a political opponent where the power lies, with due process and afterthoughts. So the NDC party functionaries who are encouraging this, you should know that your 4 years is now left with some 2.5 years.
Yeah, man.
Your time will come.
Yeah, man.
Those judges should know that President Mohammed's tenure will soon come to an end.
Inshallah.
They should know this. That God willing, 2028 with Dr. Baumi's
The leader.
Indeed, we are reminding them that neither explanation is acceptable in a constitutional democracy. Both demand accountability. Now we see the ghost of criminal libel coming back, buried by Kufuor, but resurrected by President Mahama. There is a deeper dimension to what this government is doing, and it must be named plainly. On 27 July 2001, Ghana's parliament unanimously passed the Criminal Code Act 2001 Act 602, which repealed the criminal libel and seditious laws. President John Ajekun Kufuor gave his assent on 2nd August 2001, striking from our statute books one of the most notorious instruments of state censorship this country had ever known. That repeal was a defining moment in Ghana's democratic maturation, a declaration that in free society, the state has no business imprisoning citizens for what they say. The 14th of the 1992 Constitution requires that no person shall be
order the Inspector General of Police, Chief Justice, on press conference. No, where? I'm on your 4 yard ya own. Now when I'm on your near, but one share ya be Miss Jajum. MPP Ade Akye Abia. Omundim agenda bia ewom when it comes to judiciary, when it comes to legislature, when it comes to the executive. Agenda bia omu ya aware. How are you first manipulating things to get things done in your own way? They know. So kaya how overnight the same honorable Afenya Markins mo court Emma time court Pompombe is sitting on the decision. So kaya okay, I don't know. So if you still remember, Kwame Nkwantabisa judge to sit on that particular case. But so okay, as back as a dia, you know. Yeah. Now, Kwame fast so clear rema. You can say, sir, LGBTQ plus. Okay, is our case, you know. Fast so go through court. Far so far the way. Yeah. Do you know the number of cases, sir? Sometimes quadru quarter cases be ho. Then so you me a book, but within you can say within a week, was a judgment. You be so judgment. One is political case. They know what they are saying. They've been there before. That would tear foot home the mind is for normal say. And they will not remain in power forever. Tio, me say yeah, I'm on your forum cassette you. Oh dear, you don't know these people. And this will not remain in power forever. Okay, I heard Sami Jamfi Sumbre be over catch soldier from post say, omu services ko terminals to eda MPP aban be free so say okay and then where are those people are now suspect omu where are they ko terminals for the ko terminals to for omu way the same thing that Federal Market say can say enya day a NPP be ba mu oba ban mu a mo amani agi aye nkofo bi say there will be a judge. Indirectly, that's what you want to say. There will be a particular judge. There will be a particular quarter. Oh my God. Ha! Even your mama and judiciary, no, we are not safe. Because a while show we now, yeah, because at your way and yet. I didn't judge ba couldn't maybe as a hono and a ba MPP as some person on the faculty. I didn't hear. Are you a political judge? No, because you see and just say a time ho 2 weeks. I did. The investigation quan and boy I'm being here for 2 weeks. I did. Me there be a mechanical your phone son what we knew. Higher tenor. You don't know time maybe a nyame fasa man dem party kwa no bepa. Now also so asem ya ni chi. But I know so the empire. But the papa saw Bob on here. Your frau, you invite to draw, ya arrest you. Arrest you, I don't call court. Yes, why assembly, yeah, go to cry the judge, be bet my coachy. Prosecutors say, no, Unyano for your cancer investigation. When they say be 2 weeks, you'll be here, judge coachy, a coachy prosecutor. Send allegations by some time ago. A coachy prosecutor. The one had work 2 weeks, 1 week, 1 month. Unnecessary. You per se frustrate you, you per se you shake go, you mafia because 2 minutes be deal. And your ma judges for ni be sabi 18 sehunu. Ebi se hunu. Because on the normal day, Kebian come that number of days, you know, as say, Koshemna later your free case, you know. On such cases beyond me a feeble. Minute. A criminal case. Oh. And the way we are using our judiciary, no, to mafia people, no, send a ye picture, amana sen. Ye come for nyini biamana say we are using our judiciary to mafia people. I don't tell people for say. And this for munhwe na da yenso ye beba no. Indirectly what they are saying say yenso ye beba court sa court na bedi mu nko amasem. I don't become nko out detention become 1 month. Then people for so free this for abanom de nti e bedru ba bia de obetum 1 year ni ani na asem. Say hunu say at the judiciary, no, because of appointment, is a promotion near the adeno. Ama a suma bedi bebre trim. Tiyamia come one moment for buna and see from anya professional. Chroma attentini ebeye ding. Attentini ebeye ding. Because once I see that the power is with me, no, I think I can do whatever I want to do. 2 minutes me ho. And yet abuse power. We are abusing power, left, right, center. Just like that. I'll pay a combo with Kwame Nkwantabisa, Kwame and pay matching.
Open me, Joseph.
Now, important to say.
Body Adaroma, if you are fine. Weekend and a stressful kakra, but
weekend, no.
And a weekend, no, no, stressful kakra, but now Metiasi.
If you are
Metiasi, Patronal's way.
Of what you are doing.
That trade your corner. Yes.
On any joy.
When you must sweet.
Oh, sir.
Smiley, sweet.
Briancasa. Matsna came say me ha. Yes, go for 21st for no more. Maybe I will man. Open ya na 21st for Jinem. Because Charlie.
Yes.
Yes, I'm good for.
I guess I know ye.
Yes, I
know ye. I bet you say, this are dry no ye in there, Olumai.
Menya japadie bi na jama amere me ho bebre.
That's what yes. Nyame ya boafo. Bia be fine.
Bia bia be fine.
Bia be fine.
Ware.
Obeni.
Yaba.
Mati, obeni.
Ensem organ.
Ne ensem organ. Me yenche ya tifo no pai na ye momo special good morning. Na ye no masese o kasa fidie da Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Uti enso bitumi ajoni ye wo Facebook 93.1 Sompa FM live and YouTube and so Sompa TV na yeri din komo obedi anopai miraho fiti enra after listening to Afenyo Markins eho ena me shase ho ya over and over again me tie assign etie commentary ne nam nkyɛn na de me ka kyerɛ me ho ane sɛ Ghana baby ya duru no anhwe ya ye benya to amena ne musie tom na o mine abo because the only hope ene ya wo the judiciary ya be ka se amra no ena Kwame se bibia se kura bibia jigu kura se den na amra no ene be hold ye fort amra no ene be hold ye fem amra no ene ebe hold yen before everybody no man who say ya dru ya foforo na ye betumi aye biribi bia yatumi adi nsem hunu bia kra na Ghana mrare de ye ntumi ntoto na se. But after listening to Afenyo Markins, who is a senior lawyer, who is a learned character, who is someone I always love to listen to, and who is someone I always learn from, Kwame de me kachire me ho ane say now politics ababi uraye legal system no munso amasisi de essay edeba bibia ejiegu bibia etete pansam bibia ejinsemu na nothing at all shows or point to the fact to say we are challenging the legal brains, we are challenging the law by way of in fact pointing out to the judges and the lawyers and people who are making wrong judgment. Say what you did is against the law per law ABCD per LI way per way what you did is against the law. And so we are going to challenge it thoroughly rather than subjecting them to political criticisms. Baby, we had NDC doing same when MPP was in power, throwing shades, saying and using all kinds of words against our judges. Yeah, na enya fine. You sue unanimous FC Edimaya judges. Kwame, which somehow means to say the judges over there do not think individually and they do not bring individual suggestions to the table when the case is before them, and they are only doing the bid and the bidding of the president or the government of the day. Sana na yechere ena ye yusu unanimous FC DDD judges yatem sa, but because yam peta man tenase na yan subject sa word no to proper scrutiny na yan tiase the kind of words we are using for our judges, you know, if it is right for us to use it now, ya nyentino ende baby idea baby pieni and Kwame, I say we are not using politics. I mean, him say yeah, the development, yeah, the solve issues. You know, yeah. We are not doing same, but we are using politics to victimize people. We are using politics to Kwame. Why you me been right? To me, so me you been there, and I yedi yenne, and that is very, very, very worrying. Kwame, we can disagree without hatred. Kwame, we can criticize our leaders, our judges, without dehumanizing them. Exactly. We can do that. Kwame, and Mamete Ade Akye Abia say, it looks as if the leadership of the NPP, the leadership of the NDC, the minority, the majority, Kwame, they don't engage themselves. In the sense, say omo engage omo ho a nka decisions be ba bontine free quarters be free security Kwame free your judges and your legal sector free baby na enkoya at least the minority will call the brains of the majority and whisper to them say hey, our democracy, our country is in jeopardy if we allow politics to be played in this kind of aspect. Yes, say all minor. Yeah, ball minor. Yeah, to two or minors. What transpired?
Yeah.
I expect the legal brains that belongs to the minority to engage the legal brains that belongs to the majority. Same way I expect the legal brains in the NPP engaging the legal brains in NDC, sitting down with them, talking to them, letting them know, say, politics is really killing all the systems in our country. And the ehadie biaya elfano emwa biaya elfano edio yene ne oseye kese na de bebre yemayi enunti we de adwobrao na lafia ye kase ye di politics achia ye be say o man no ye be bo man no. We have a country to build and we have an image to protect. Since he said Mrofono are always looking down on us, and Mrofono are always belittling us because they think, say, we cannot use politics to develop our country. We cannot use democracy to develop our country. We cannot be independent because they know, say, before no, we are always swayed by little things and we do things. Sabi, so thing China genuine and tiase enim. Because Kwame, they see the only message Afenyo Makin is given to me yesterday after listening and watching him, and they say, so watching that woman bar, they are not going to use the legal framework. Rather, they are going to use politics to pay back what is happening today. And Michelle and also the say he was not using legal brains to challenge the legal judgment. Judge in the bar bonte and now say it was wrong. It was all ways, Kwame, insulting. It was always hatred. It was always dehumanizing the young kunipa. It was always encouraging Ghana for say. Meanwhile, you are a lawyer. Because if say wa mra wo krum ha nka no a wugina ho a wo kasa no na wo kotu emra no the decision way no is against emra way, the decision way is against emra way, the decision way is against emra way, then we will have the legal brains talking. Then we can learn from the legal brains, and then we will use these legal brains to debate each other. Yenye lawyers no na legal brains ni ya copy from omo ni dia debate ya ho ni ya make your point without insult, without dehumanizing people.
Exactly.
But where are we now? The legal brains themselves are subjecting what is before us to politics, to mere politics.
Exactly.
And they are using words you don't expect learned people to use. Lawyer for the nano me kan say lawyer for the buo mu ho nya de ketwa ne yonkwa fom kura kwa me kon be fa so akasa kire na amana hunu say yes wa fom no edafua, not to the extent of using words to describe a judge of the state. Now what message are you sending to people outside Ghana? Your bilateral and multilateral you are sending a message to them, say our legal system is not effective and efficient, and so we cannot judge their people in Ghana here. Eti ye MPA yachina and then a won send no say ye kwachi America ni bi wo Ghana ha. You are only sending a message to them, say yen to me and you see a legal system no, because and you're strong and you're politicized. Now the brains there no, they are not firm, they are not independent, and they are not fair. That is the message you've just sent to your bilateral and multilateral partners. And then, woman feel say you're independent. No one feel say you're consi about dear home. Now, yanka say you to me produce near money, a jinan and nine so near you more competing globally. When you know more competing in the world market, no one who say we are strong, we are firm, and we are country. You name the This is what we are doing to ourselves because of politics. We are using politics to kill all the systems na ye wo krom ha nti ani da so ba kokura enim ani da so ba kokura enim na no me we hoye. I wouldn't want to mention the media house President Mahama recuse no what they are saying is recuse no one yes or no one appointed cabinet ministers nti de Kwame forgetting say individually obia wo adwene a ewo ni trim they think. So are you saying say if the president appoint you now their legal brains are now so what gene do mutrimono entumi nya adwuma biem ayira? Don't we have people ya kase USA for and UK for buying appoint you and pediophobia appoint you but individually they are thinking and making decisions right for the country now. So your cabinet, the council of state, are you saying they cannot challenge the status quo of the president? And I'm saying, the president need to anamobine and sem fata. Omun to mean challenge na. Into omuye tibon koswa se bibi nko ya president appoint you omuntino straightforward or media to me. They cannot challenge it, and they cannot whisper a word of wise statement into the head of the president. Anna, Kwame, you kill the system no. We are killing the system and it is dying slowly. And the only hope left, which is the legal system, legal sector, no, and also the legal brains that we so entrust our whatsoever in them are creating the path. They are creating the path and they are killing that system. And why you know? We have to begin to think aside the politics na ye no ye say ye wo man na independently ye wo ho ansa na politics nso wo ho because first of all Ghana first ansa na party nso aba nti say ye Ghana first ansa na party na ba we will be thinking right and we will be making right statement than this kind of statement are coming so insulting to even themselves if they don't know it is insulting to their integrity and to the country at large. Kwame, I will too much. I will too much, and it's like criticism has become more easier than having a conversation. Criticism has become more easier in this country than holding a conversation, engaging people in a very manner. You say ye cansem, ye dinkomo, ye kanyansasem. We are so quick to criticize and then we are so quick to say things and you can see instead of having a conversation, engaging, interacting, and using the sefata. Say the dijuma.
Why one of the things that I don't pay you I said Ghana, exit IMF no. But exiting now we are also calling for a PCI. How we exit the PCI. But before that, Mame kwa humaso na menu komo. I've been told said the polling station chairman. The constituency chairman for no north constituency Tepa Ashanti. And Honorable Nelson Donko Ade Akye said adwuma no what do you see or na mentiasie. Honorable pay matching. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Now bomb to say
Yanya Dominic Kajada with Manuel Dompa.
Sadia Krate Ababontin sir. Being the chairman for the polling stations across constituency say unye biem da ayin fan kasa da wo constituency ni wo
constituency Ahapuano to be precise.
Oh okay, ti how da chairman no
the polling station not the constituency polling station
ada obi tata wa da die ntina wo so unya adwuma biem adwuma so wa ya na afedi ada
also Something Prebiasa. Okay, Nipa Kodia na Sumo Bejono. And then everything when you are join your team. And you buy you knew that the whole people report here. Accountability. And we are law abiding. We need to follow. There's a BBI okay. Policies in our okay. And my also in Nigeria BBI the positions in India. But you see people who see and yet your papa we could put people know who will make. We put a corner car to be you. About your just come on police station let you hear national executive push the scale just got the push and this is a by guidelines and from Traban. And I read of the pay.
Guidelines that no money so. Guidelines no money so.
A mobile to cry you do so.
Ade.
And anything. How OBA nomination 20th to 24th of April. A good one of Johnson. And who's a baby I don't know. And look at that channel. 25th to 30th of April. And I never very to do on the Amaso. Very to transfer. Say. 1st to 5th May, almost petitions and whatever. A good one, Amaso. Among communication, being a buyer. On the 6th of May, Anna, almost the Nipodisa or Mumra. Now, Omania Roberto, Nazam in Propias, Omania more among the petition, a bit lower, Namibusase. On the 5th, you know. Na champions to me one cry. Now, Grandma Mana, a bad enema. To be a bad juma. Na, the Juma, let them pass over Serbia. Tema. Now, we're going to have one of the red and what to do on Ryan vetting. And the movie, Uncle Apply to office. Of course, the TI said, did to know was Yano, almost so. On the 6th radio, the beyond everyone, they on the 6th to 9th for the 9th notice of 2. The no can say notice of 2 beyond one of the Babon. And so, even will be crazy now, we need to only need and also play a campaign or got yourself to about one manager or say, we need the only manager. I'm telling you about enough.
That's all the lawless crowd.
But I don't think.
I heard the night is a Mranya Jumo.
And Papura. And Yajuma. And when I'm saying, I let you do maybe such a Ghana. Sabat to do one before police station. Now, if I say, make a trouble. Within the same media man, Jimmy, Manato. Among those police station, many police station. Maybe Chama security or man contested you. Because now Yamana Equana, not have been Prebiasa, a tier plenty no guidelines from the Bayan, and Miss Mayra Badia, and Radia, Media Jumapa. And she, I let you do one. Album beyond now, but I ever said, quite the register and a year ago, Mompon to Abana Anka, a letter of a mission album, look on Mompon to Imponent, I am fine as soon as you need. The dear Bensi, and one will be a baby line.
It's I don't know, Obi the church, they are gender beside and call for a bad as say.
Many can say, well, the executive more. I didn't tell the boy to say there or mess out to be empty. Or more yard,
that's a constituency for there, sir.
Oh, there.
I am you on Kwana.
There you, they see the war of one of them, it's 1 quarter to baby, 6 hours in album. I'm telling you, Step 3. It's to my home as a catcher. I could see after. nipa bɛyɛ mmiɛnsa o sɛsɛn.
Polling station abato.
Nfajɔ sɛ.
Polling station abato no.
Polling station tɛnɛ ne polling station adano kanka anka ma nko fie na me jeje ma no a anka ya hu me ya se bi anka ewe me nsekan.
Wow, ya chairman no.
I'm telling you.
Hey.
I'm telling you. So, ewa ana omo bi fo me say they can't guarantee my security. So I should leave and I left fast.
Enkwa ye.
Enyam amana semti so ne dokume.
Dabi.
Yes. Enti me head down here more no and from national level to region we can't send be obi ampa obi antie nya hwe omu nyina ya agenda.
That just say mo dey akọ regional kra no so hwe am.
Me say assistant secretary constitution assistant secretary every JFK the general secretary catching say regional rep no atepa kusa for niam na oya hafa no bebu party na ja ho akọ region. Omo catching say omo te omo ye investigation. The regional team a hold on now I'm telling you be am fa ho.
Obi anso ma ho.
Obi am internet. Mother they don't care because for now no obi a ye de na wo ye de proposition na wi a na party no say be na e position e buka say na say the nyansa be no wo.
They say they have pata.
But okay.
Party ni ma ya pata pa je so wa ho odin no na say wo na akoro.
Me ba che e buru pata pampo.
Hey.
E buru pata pa.
Na pipi dan ka we de free hin.
Enu nti na me so ma free mu because nya say hooliganism di anka me party anka me ko join here. So hooliganism we are not we were not in MPP because of hooliganism because the party ni say bia kama. Enu nti na ye mu bi. 2024. 2024. Mr. UK about July, April, October, December, November, because of election. You really need me say, me ko ba bi abium. Yen na ya tram ni akọ position, yen na nya adwuma papa ti no ansa na ye bitu kwa ya tu. Because never that will be the target of party ko position na join ko tram. Yes. But and the Bukabia, we will be now say the Boka and we say our man the way the mind the way it here. And because of that, I'm on but next to because of
the bootleg cardia, just a wasam the Vanya.
Exactly. We are going some. If you want to move yourself on a month for issue, any amount for a more reason, bra, a near thing. And if you want something, the ban is saying you could put police station ban, but you can't say I want second, two.
Na police station abadi.
Ni mi ono MPC for ayo mo de mpo a want so ma yo mo de. MPC ayi ti ayi bia MPC go bia so obiri so mo ya kakaben so mo anwan no. Omo ye omo de a obi mpo ante ho asema obi on di obi mpo isu. Na MPC ayi ti ayi so abamu party de na asi.
Tame anase abai wanko biem na we a ebe ya yi na adi milika tente se wa resign.
Me ba je me say ahabo no monfa reporters mra na monko community by community no mo say asema me ke me kwa me dey make an dey enya me so obi me betu me me na me say ni nko bi because me ma nye say me ko kwa so level
and they say what no so aja to zo ma na
Maza, no you be a kuni pa ho na me ko kwa dey.
Hey, wow. Na say agree ni wo ho akoma wo ho na de be so party kra ha. Enkofo bi na decide.
Unim, ye tie me say, omo pe nipa, omo be do omo be to aba. Ba nye omo be party adwuma.
I see.
And the reason I'm minimalizing and say, we ko yi nipa won timi enye influence, won timi ntwedom, won ni dom. Na wo de me ko to aba ma wie. We could do general election and all coming to come and conference and come to campaign. We will never do it. And because of this, no we have a party because no party will never yet be promoted as a mayor, as a man, yet the nature. No, My year, you man come. I've been assembly member for 8 years. I've been a party chairman for 8 years.
Oh. Yes, so
and they know that me to look out. That's why they are doing this to me and others.
That say chairman na say chairman ne dia wonya nko biem. Na member ne dia oda so MPP member.
No. My letter no, I wouldn't let them be kind. They say I have resigned from the party. They have to remove my name from the party record. Exactly.
Hey.
And Uche, and then some few days coming. I think that you people, they will call you. A lot of people are going to do press conference to resign from the party.
Hey.
I have info. A lot, including those who are even contesting, who are going to contest for constituency level positions. They are from these some few days. They are going to resign. Call for press conference and resign from the party.
Asemu.
Yes, because MPP and I so.
Krata ba bontin o panyin bi afrɛ.
Meaning, mature letter on the 12th of May. And I'm a soft copy. I will mark the constituency secretary. I believe in himself, I will be living in science and data, so I send him with the soft copy. And I'm a guardian of the hard copy and I'm a chiba. Or send him a message say that the hard copy in the club on you. No, when you said me, may a down heart of MPP, I mean to me, MPP. If you go there, young fan said, now some what can I say? From the 12th up to May, because I said, I'm going to put another person, and they are so about a quarter for money. And so I will be, and I said, oh, you're moving me a little bit of the India. And I'm moving my agenda, say, you're moving a book, and I'm moving there, I've been some former, when I say that you want to come in 2 parts more moped.
Na chama said yanka constituency secretary crack can cry motivation a year because I know kase party ni there wo do party no adwuma investment awabe o ma dey na on take a second look at the Nsema constituency secretary.
And so there is something on the executive party guidelines are next the second highest body in the party association and we are going to find so I say, I'm Ramadi Juma, may I continue this year. I may believe in an anomaly. Because you are in Sadama woman, and I am young, I must have run about to play on the edge of one of main chief. The party, the opposition party, not a million party, saying, I want to about the the war position is where the dominant and I'm Amamba, Omusu, not me, the community, any other community, among the sort of mobile unit. Here I make one, but then I'm doing a moko.
Tamo, we are sending message, said your war MPP now, all fans never be out rano, or we are west, sir, and this is for new dim come up, and also a general, and your wookie.
Oh, majority. Sabi, in football club, and I'm a journalist, Mamuye. So what do you say? We are good. What you need to do is that mistake and another. Yes. So we were baby, no, this one, no, be here. I will give you some pass on the battle. Me no can say, and no, I give you family. I need to farm from me. You be after me, the base after me. But me and people, put the me and people. No, but I don't say.
Obi ampon frey.
Daddy.
Hey, wa unko for no.
Aye.
Na so mo value o.
Aye, so mo say me kwa me nko me mo anya ma me fi mo so impression.
Hey. MPP.
And NBC. One vote to grant value, NDC value one vote. And now, maybe man is going to be a minimum. Country demand, you can be better to the bar, the car, not fancy. na majina majo hu party kura say I want to make ameto I want to make politics so amekwete
menya sure say politics dey obekwete because you still want to serve your people
and my country. I believe in Ghana, and I always say Ghana first, not political party. Let's think about Ghana first because we are so quite rich. Now we Ghana for my brown with us on the here. Nothing can be able to tell you about the Caribbean, Caribbean, Caribbean. When you get the UK, the woman, almost will be out to go, better than the Uncle Group. Oh, over the question of more. If you didn't do my young Ghana, I'm Ghana. May take it.
Okay.
We take it. So, in the America, a number of what we jump with a mobile team. If you didn't do that, young party, not young party, your money, now a month for internet fee. They say UK, Ghana phobia, maybe share your mom with the double. So, this is I mean, no, do something. The man £1, the man £2. So that one thing that would maybe see. Because I said Ghana, if I don't send a double, we have to change that. In the media, the Americans say MPP no, I know. Omanpanini dada ko MPP na yihuni ya nyen no yihuni le. Nti yeko.
So say asem na ko dru JFK ni mnya sa. Chamai.
Yes sir.
So say asem na ko dru JFK ni secretary, general secretary ni.
Yes, we are aware.
All right.
They called him on phone and I was there. But say asem na e kan wate so ye hwehwemu. E no kwa na ye you bet no ye pick nomination asem. And a complaint before ye be sister. E be sinne. Regional rep from the buy top of Kusapon. And I create this problem when on agenda no the buy.
Ono ya wan.
Ono na ya regional rep or the better to have. I think
okay. Kusapon ya.
What do you say? Ono, I think he is the regional assistant organizer also.
Yeah.
Yes, ono no competition ni bindu or yet near man. On Crawford on the better aba. Ama coincidence the one better aba you know.
Na say you uni mo bi tiri masem. Ten pa no better mo no onto ma.
Some just say nipa na omo pe wo mo no me believe ni say wo mo pe nipa mo di ni aye adwuma ma na ke do mo ye wo mo ko to aba.
Say no tina wan ye hin.
And me okusa the former MP no mo kan they know me say ta no me no tapie. Me asam na kanya me ka ma gina kire mo die no. But we must penisa nti ye jama wo mo
Chamai ma menas na wo se akodu general ho de general de ye bedi nkomo de be si bia mefrɛ
me dachi
Chamai for Chechere polling station afo ano da no pay what is say ye ne no di nkomo Chama Nelson na ate say ye ne no di nkomo anopay enso elho na Jeff Kede na asem kanye din so I'll see ya be na yehu because separate obi be ka say o ba kokura frima o frima ntosini tadien de ya na ye mfa nje party obi obeka say asem dia ye o party bofo so obeka say o frima ntosini o mu a enyema bi ono na ayifo kra na ehurita ni mfui omo no sabi kakra won nsem a abo ne bro tim kodi 2 weeks 1 month no asaba me misuma mu a bladi jabe za wi asene sa o ye nipa akwa me bo wa adwen ye se ya nipa bebre pe wa asebu kanu kreche nipa mpe
na abeka etisi ya sa na abeka nipa mpe wa asem
nipa pe yesa masa esida
opese o ye no o yes o ye masa yes
ane beba so o ojuma ya
oh yes
na ojuma ya
kwame yes ama no na waka yes masa ne beba wa bra wanka sanso udi kwantene no so ti nipa no hu wa obu wonim se atima si die say not
respect we don't command for respect
no we earn
so dear din na
we earn enya ne edin nye kasa den
now I know media be straight it has to come naturally.
Yes.
And you what I be straight. Where straight are people know.
Yes.
And nye kasa juma
and Kwame strictness even come from principle, from the writing now and never man for kasa straight. Me straight.
We will know, we will see.
Oh yes, by itself. Yeah, the what the one obey. You won't be there. Takasinya so.
And Kwame, Sanet but unfortunate. I will see. I think they made you come. Maybe some. Also a call.
Kwame, opposition you or registration you or election. Won't some those who too much. And government in power the crowd. Oh Charlie registration boy. And who wins what boy? Hey.
To the extent of for future sick.
I'm going to you. Oh, heavy be
papa. A slow in our brew. And this is right from the word go. Also, on call for near Domu Frias, yes, and near Domu Fra constituency bar, Regina. There's a didn't go to the wall. And he said, be a meme crime a national. Now catch himself, Huawei. Or was Messi camp. Until you can't from no back constituency. Polling station, the guys no do move. Now back constituency, now about regional. A better impact also.
Yes.
Into honorable ye. Quickly, then you umpe kwebia sideline to mu sideline ya. A free throw bar bisi form. Say free form so a top up approach so free forms abaso.
Kwame the moment obey say o sideline in a church one kasa unye continue unye. It means the opposite church say asimasi or a hard meaning to me adwuma. Asimasi
a strategy.
A strategy.
Politics, they say, is full of strategy.
Oh yeah, it is full of strategy, but you have to be strategic when Kwame all is involved because you didn't do an area politics.
Over strategic, nase a be affect the main party. Nyansen. Because already national, regional constituency. Now party that's opposition and now for kind.
Now that's so bra.
It's better to be a security man or to man a party in power than so Baba chairman of an opposition party.
Menim se ba umia nim de akoko so yidia.
Oh very. So we can do
it. Come I free throw sa be si form.
Oh there be a cry they want to cry.
Kwame enye.
On.
Enye. Na no ode ne list re ba ya me kotena ase dwene ho ye ya na me hu se papa we. I say or the party need to change. No what take him mantle da.
Ade ba ko ne se ade ba ko Kwame ade ba ko a mene empanfo ni bidi nkomo a onipa bebre nya hu ne se it's not the decision of Ayabawia
but
it's the decision of the party. Though is a major stakeholder.
Okay.
The decision committee was enacted and now say it was lined up by the party. And your friend now come here, you can ask him. I'll say it's not Baumia, it's the party decision. I know what they buy, so it's from the party, but because Baumia a major stakeholder. And just say we are a Bamuashim. So this is how we want to do it. Also contribution a saying. Not such as my contribution is say, my contribution is say. And now on Canadian Japan, they say that how come I was saying say, Osha. During the campaign, Omuti Obiadi will say, we to me, we power ha. And almost say, Newman Ken campaign was based on a Newman. So they decided, says a committee, Baba, then you should go on that committee purposely for a Newman industrialization, job creation, and Sanyoman. What you say? Obi also a money in the Koya to say, yeah, Unipa. Oh, or say, oh, you're in charge of security. Oh, the whole thing. Or no, it was a security because he had been defense. Or no, Angasa Najumo Koi was on security.
Brian,
and he sack people. No, the Barbara way sack people. No, they have to take that decision on that. And that is how they should go.
Sure.
And some of these things, Kwame, a free stroke, but where they are. As the leader of the party, because once you are the flag bearer, the leader of the party, the decision will not be made without you being aware.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
All right. Kabi abeja for bet na say na otu for video na ready. Episode video na ready. Okay. Mami ko jomra na abeja for atena say no pay. Tago heba Mr. no pay bomodia ne ko pay otago. Beka say bi si udam a eno ne kwan pa no. Tago heba Mr. Ebo ama mema amwo erectile misfunction impotence. Te say one kasa what him say mema yen sem no wo fom. Anopay a da form kojo to a wu so ya ho hwenye ye ohia tago no ahode no wa say e ba form a ohia tago heba Mr. Low libido e ma uni atenka be ma ni atenka e ya de kese pa petago heba Mr. in capsules infections sisi adoso etibon ho ban free infections so etago heba Mr. in capsules leading drugstore the pharmacy shop ni heba shop bia benya bia to 0243228296 0243228296 ayatago heba Mr. Anope bomadia se sciatica yade na achewa efi sisi achi be pemo na ase no sciatica won sentini na ho no eya na ase ontimi nantie kire se yade kese eba enti so anu ansa no wakadem sciatica na sciatica expert die eno ane 21st clinic ye clinic on its own. Na ohwe yade bia over 15 branches. They done say offer call center ho a baby ben no oka no match so ene kwa ha over 15 branches e wo ho e Ghana ha no. Kumasi ehwa overseas ehwa dabraka ha no mo near Alpha Radio Sompa TV Sompa FM mo show anomo form. Obo ase Council Quarters Court Junction no mo Accra Dome Market. Accra say you move called Tantra Hill. Oho da abehu Sunyane Regional Hospital, they say Sunyan Teaching Hospital, hot na be home, Kransa, Techima GN Bank, Dinda down, we hold on 0249311311, 0249311311. Ofra baby, a bell, your bemwako 0540 311 311. Numbers net that says 0249 311 311, 0540 311 311. And pay laboratory service in this scan service now by nya fe na pie kwa bontin ko twa lab ko lab ko twa scan dep ye nyina bia manho massage physiotherapist our ma being doctors or ma being machines egu a ye de ehwe and pay season na abeduru season bay farming season erunti na hia fertilizer and fertilizer bia kwa unya OCP fertilizer enti OCP Ghana Limited akofa OCP MPK fertilizer 15 eno mo amodua cereals mo amodua atosode nyadoa moko entos ne de keka ho no mo hia OCP 15 anasa onya OCP 10 eno so beboa wo na mo amodua legumes ne de mo hia OCP TSP eno na de boland na utim say yes na de ma OCP down so ne say natural enti ebas asinima emfa niam bi mbas asina afi obeye ntosu twamamu green ne white ne chese basa dabi OCP de fertilizer ya sheda aye e de ama asase no enti anope kope OCP fertilizer OCP 15 OCP 10 for cereals and vegetables OCP TSP for legumes anope OCP fertilizer pa Adapa Roman father na drone na make am for the amount. O ho na hwan yo tititi, won sa yo tititi, won na yo tititi stroke ana achu. O ho na me oya ase wa ye bete. Twitwu musa to na so twitwu na so body deb. O hia Roman father na drone. Pressure was so diabetes also ebe boa papa diabetes for ne pressure for munko pebi. Chronic disease ade aye kwanko e da so adapa kope Roman father na drone. 0247919122 0247919122 0552668517 Roman father nedro na father Martin Seba Mr. Drugstore Pharmacy Shop Herbal Shop Baby Home Anopa RSYD Novigi Studio on Crime Malam Be Abia Se First Kokoko Street Omo ane yi mfonyini kama video ye movie o filmmakers ni nyina o na also o storyline kama na pese ye give you a flex to it na fe ade no ebe kama edia ohia eye RSYD no VG studio because your creative directors honma omu add flex to eye o skeleton nam na ba be pampe and say movie say online streaming na person you the anniversary that podcasting ya podcast now ya ni nyina ya beboa your cameras papa or your camera handlers your professionals 057 4715778 05747157778 030397482 030397482 RSYD no VG studios anopay omo ana make camfo ede amount hodum anopay abejafo atenase na ofa clear atenase ofa clear gina mama the new patriotic party ofa clear so ko fori kromon
Jire mo se be ba ko boabo mabuna no
youth organizer to draw for kroma ofa clinic gina mu gidi anopay montomo ofa clear no be adwuma na montomo ofa clear na ofa clear up and down omo ade o musica afa kasa obi tifie mu beto amanwe monye steady sa so da mia menua justice that lawyer no so te hadoma anopay why find mine pa ono so gina mamba the National Democratic Congress justice marching na empomu te sen obo ade adom me so me ho ye pa me ka wo dia da pese o dware na pese o dware wa shede that's all you oh yeah hurry up
that was na mabo abaso for the opportunity once that they are catch us aka safidi no dosu it's obiji blessing station there na mo Sompa 93 and pana ya the dika mama Sompa 93 abaso na mo wa nkasa nso abaso so bia anton sancha ni bi so ti amanfo ti na ka mo homodi akona dia oti ti amanfo agibo mu ti onu so chedo na dia nso ya de oye ti macha na madawa sana mabo abaso na wedi encha ketu ebu na mepese mede ma me party babako abante ose Richmond nse ade baako a high man osem ewukum ane se obi ono ma okọ elections na odi nkuko na manyu ko ni ma osem bo fu majai party no nti sanka me ami of akleti ya na mfasa amade na nko okọ elections ni bia wa lusu a wasi wa jai MPP party nse of akleti obi nkuni nti mane mo ose Richmond abaso dodo na friend ostrich or contested as youth organizer in our previous elections and our party forecast and member so a few assemble bid as or contested as the regional organizer for the MDC the best share a see ahini any to ahini for say a hofama a hombase or do of a power band and their some party no position of the musica year juma de na who are doing the time a year juma de ma party no went to really youth organizer and na bemem wasaba bi esi ahini fun hu ne mobo na omuntu ababa na mama regional organizer ti message na me adom na ebeni group na ye kwakoto abano NDC esi ahini ne to ahini fo omonka ye nya bema ose Richmond adodo na friend ostrich na ontimi me the regional organizer for the NDC me that's it for the opportunity
that's it over
Nkwantabisa
bibi aboko de
nyame gusu shira ye ya bani aba he ba bia bosu na book fa kodru na ya bobo register as you din what present list ni mo a na otwere abonyankopon e beda na se na wa ma mekwana ma komi constituency kesi university mo e yo forikom constituency na makocha member of parliament honorable Michael Akwasi Edu na mabo party mpanifo yina baso na makase na Nkwantabisa be ka be se na otwe mienu de economy ensam ni na as part of your reorganization your polling station elections no hu dwumadi ekoso na oba oforikom constituency a Hajia former Maslok Asante regional director ne edano ede oforikom ano omadi dwumadi na mana ye first runko to the extent say out of the 241 polling stations that were of Rukum constituency, maybe a contest course we only 12. Only 12 polling stations out of the 241 ɛna contest ɛkɔɔ so nti ɛkyerɛ sɛ consensus bebree kɔɔ so ɛma na adwuma kwapa yɛ fukura bɔ de ama hagye akora too much nti no yɛde 2 days per ɛna to saa 12 elections no out of 241 2 days no so bibia ɛyɛ bɔkɔ ohɛ ayigya zogo kwapa de ɛfɛ kora pokwa ɔmo a wayo ne alaji no ne call contest ɔmo wie ya ba kulu so no mo ina asa kwete na fe ba ko no mo sa kɔto party no mo nye na mo sa edidi fefefe enti na ɛyade a ɛso ani enti yɛbɛbɔ party mpanifo ne elections committee na ba so sɛ ɔmatime dwuma de na ma fefefe na yanti problem bia na nyame ya doma abɔ no mo sati key in enti yɛbɔ mpa sɛ by close of day nam so for come your door so price your numbers near be almost 1800 enti key in futi nra no it will take a bit of time enti yɛbɔ mpa sɛ by close of day na sɛ abɔ na babonti.
Okay, just so the way forward, Aban said agenda 111 no, omo abandon no, but yearly 35 and babe hwe teach you hospital so omo de money akɔ say baya a betimi aboa ama facility health facility as say drew bebia na obekwa say high ma high say no ye ho be high kakra 35. Do you think that's the way for us?
Yeah. I'm sure I'm more possible for the opportunity. I may say over the weekend, we now going up for a Buakwa. I say, when I'm a Buakwa, and so I call, I think, Sunyane Road now. I say, now, abandoned down share, coin the same, and no dualize road, no be coin, Ade Akye Abia Sunyane. And I say, a 2 abandoned in the project in a store like a car. Now, I'm told, and then now, Sunyanka sounds to me the Beniko Hui. As a contractors in our site, a quine nam a boakwa, a quakudusun and a contractor number site, our made or moya juma. Timemo noble wisdom or seba mabaso, or no MC, our a boaquampatemo, a Achaman will be just south MC, Tiabadana Senaya Bonabasu, whose MC be on no buyer. Yes, whose MC be on Uncle Buyer and Quebecas and Chassis or now buying breast with Tinconfan any day, Idiachi. Tis or see what the many dear China project in a Coswa. Have a born noble wisdom of Seba, Basunia Catchens, on you know, and in a Juma Dia or the Oye. Agenda 111 is a good project, but said the meaning, Yemiano MPP for Chassis, but the Mokon, Bako Crane on Momutimi, Omutimi. Nti NDC aban ba no na dodo na fear ne se Ghana how say aban bi she project asena foforo ba onye de on to aso into be community senior high schools be NDC ni John Mahama sha say in the Ashanti region here we kufa do ba dodo na no e de hojaigu honum even though obon homodin so be complete bi but dodo na so so me e de omo ye nhwe ha na omo jaigu nti se president Mahama ba bem na why na adwin say ono de on twa sa dada ni bi nemum obeto a different trend and I say obeto a different line. I believe that it's a step in the right direction. And now we go hospital ni me say president Akufo-Addo ko ye hospital na we the hospital na Kofi ko ye e de ahare aye de Ghana for Fofi na Antoata ena na momu na nkoyi na Ghana for to aba editia no. It is a president Mahama ba na we Jessica over 110 million cedis in the 2025-2026 budget. I will say or the barber complete a step in the right direction. The MDM say at least among price contract no omobesa awarded to your local contractors. Say the 35 hospitals Emma local contractors no mu free Ghana and me say Ghana ni enya contractor beka kofa contractor free Abuchi and also beka kofa contractor free baby no de naba me say cement me say iron rods I de be say project we obekwa Abuchi no I de obekwa akoto obaye ni nyina and I say obeto ni nyina de ewo Ghana ha and it is a way of boosting the local economy. Enti yebaba abana baso say wa anyenhwe han na obide indeed why committed as a obeshena when we project no. The next thing I buy as a proposal is your hospitals be honoma missions be honoma e be into education e be into health. Now I buy as say why they for the public private partnership. I thought that I buy initiative project as maybe an honso no invite a private man no create the enabling environment nti ebi ti say it because say we to see hospital area e build, operate and transfer BOT. Ti be a hospital asori bi to say the Assemblies of God, asori bi to say Presby, asori bi especially the Orthodox churches, you know. Omit me adopt some of these hospitals. No me the musica the ashim. Omishim no mu wia na aba besum tememu for anasa aba besum Ghana for. Nti me dey me feel say Esana President Mahama Chano on this, it is a step in the right direction. Hey idea I was say you encourage President Mahama say onye no no nkoso no onye because so we share hospitals na bi ono ma ba bia adru na yi jaisi ono na yakwa ko start different projects etoda me my dream no ya na nshada anya the enya the papa because we enya president Akufo-Addo Botum scan no dey enya MPP for personal money no me dey omo dey me no ye taxpayers money na ban dey university ti sa ban ba no jai gu ono na ye nhwe han na project ne say ebi ne Sagleme housing project ne ade aban da na shase ye she bebre ase omo ba omo se ye nto aso ntu na ma across the country ultimately say project bebre ono mo ya ke wasa aban bi ba no timi dey e complete ebi ani KGT first 2 year ejama omo sine yintini nye de enwe project na but menu nyina be dia dance say asante mantama no na oba Ashanti region hanom a ye ma menom dodo na edwadie no mo ye de omohwe omo ye de ba omo brabo ti se we aban na oba na aban da bia ye such a significant and monumental project na ye ma otumi na wo se politics nti even though ade no was stronghold onye na ya yenhwe han na efi nwotwe yentini anye project ni si honom a ara wosem esa se minim se senka MPP aban timi wi KGT phase 2 na minyini senka President Mahama abenke ye NDC ya wasindika Kofu market ye jaisi ho ye pene na yehu da President Kofo de eshase se NDC kra na se ye ban na Ashanti region ye stronghold nti anya yinu no MPP de na ye san expect because they say to whom much is given much is expected region ayoma over out of the 47 MPs Imuma Akumako 43 from 2020 to 2024 they were basically people from the MPP so cabinet ministry cabinet ministers Akumako 19 out of the 19 cabinet ministers Niame of us Sabonsu no a minister in charge of government business in parliament into by virtue of that now or a cabinet minister Niame of Anapo the name Dr. Matthew Boku Pempe also no a education minister and he transitioned to become energy minister also no a cabinet minister Niame of Educhum also no a cabinet minister Fimo Pare just say we can mention projects be brewed on my buying shasia near expertise with this majority and with this influential people in government no community machine on my way so but we will not fault anybody what we say is that you better John Mahama say so also buy and one may say na no be the aban bi the no dear we see the boss operation wa complete project no it's a step in the right direction your man abaso na encourage local contractors and so omo for omo nje bidding processes nim no omo nje contracts we be no omo de omo complete na yen san encourage yen sorry na Ghana no wa capacity bia obetimi dia ide a complete bi no na waji na wa complete said the be a day and hare ni ayaresa ebaba the doorstep of the ordinary Ghanaian ti meda wasina ma
so agenda 111 no? Yeah. I think it was started in their second term.
Yes, please.
Somewhere around 2021.
Yes, sir.
And they're about 3 years.
Yes.
Not 8 years period.
Yes. Okay.
3 year period. Share wow agenda 111. Went to manye moko. There's a new government. Abine say at least 35 this year. Do you think it's enough? And now baby projects nedru more expect to say the speed and time no you bet my more than 35.
Medase na masachi out for bio. Agenda 111 and kwasam ne say the bia metese na yenu animalize forecast it was over ambitious na meria ho sanse na Nkwantabisa
analysis for come say over
over ambitious na Nkwantabisa no kwasam ne say oman baby a yempuntu edru no ye ka say ye move at the normal pace a beche pass na oman ye du baby e pese ye dru no nti de bia ye ka say we need to leapfrog in our development. Na sabi also da ye se ubesi hospitals mako 111 our district bia hospital amuni district hospital enya de bone because aban bia epese osi hospital our district ya hospital anymore and ye tena se hu se ampampa ye wo 88 districts or Ghana hanamo a amuni district hospital na district ayeka ho asem ebu a nkroto ebu a 30 40 and a short district back was Nasa Sanko Toina or Muni District Hospital and near the Cassia. And she or Mampania Kufado and Dr. Mamba Mianas Hardeno. And ye say, let's have it in our mind, say, ye see 111 hospitals, our district BMO. Say, Nkwantabisa, ye started na yet me, ye was hard mindset, no. Na make me kwampu secure land for this project krampua and no enqua in itself no eye ade ayakọ anim ya take a step in say abanfofo bi ba na se okaso wotoaso a the process of acquisition of land will not be the problem bio ente ade o se ebo abanabaso now 35 wa omampani eka ho asem. Not long ago, the health minister, Kwame Nkwantabisa, Abe Akye and said, "Omo year investigations, audits, our agenda 111 project nimu. Na onu susu say sika akomo any project no it does not correspond. Into no susu say katashise any dwumudie any kronu bi akoso." Into one tears, yes, sika dia wura mu no na yentimi operationalize ba akopekura in fact that was incomplete ba akokura etire na yekotwetwa mfonyini ahodo de kire no say okokokoben hospital ewo meme constituency ewo oforikom constituency when you see the videos are rebel because almost every equipment bi ewo mu bia no is available na de bia omo kan omo say ena bibia nwie bibia anim menye ni se empo hospitals a eguso a era ne nei omo wa kanye bia omo hia ena omo guso omo rane no but there were basic equipment basic enema se sa enema no ya available the hospital can start operationalization. You does not need to get everything because convenote money I can say UG University of Ghana Hospital money na se for bina ko money bibia mu hia nyina but the hospital is in operation nti e ba ni ye ka se ebi wo ho no ma anya hwe ye betimi appoint to base 5 minimum hwe kra me constituency de and it de any back or western region who videos aban there na Nkwantabisa those ones can start operations because the basic enema hospital here no they are starting the obo and to start here no na maya honto so say any adru 80% ni adru 90% no o complete here na maya honto so but this is the case when Nkwantabisa ni ayakate so the yawie na aka operationalization no yenya hunu so mampani say ye operationalize but the president is promising us be complete 35. I believe say
no so 35
no but Nkwantabisa ebi yese ebi da wanuma na oto ayede ebene entinka sa 5 na yawie na enema wo mu te se kokoben de no Nkwantabisa o start say wo operationalize no a na after wo hye me boss be complete 35 e mama hotoso because in the 2026 budget Nkwantabisa there is no specific budget allocation to the Omampani Ken. As a matter of fact, the 2026 budget no Omampani enam at first go review parliament no. There is no single item yes specific say ye trust sika we say ye dey work complete 35. Name there's allocation to the Ministry of Health. They can pick money from the Ministry of Health finances muna or no problem.
And you are so and I think the 35 will be possible for this.
No, men can say possible they say Omampanika obey. But I'm making the point to say Omampani menya ho to so na sama all kan mu a enka near ye and a low hanging fruit. I have 5. On start now operationalizing and no. Now we are no afraid and 1 maya who to say 35 no so be complete no be complete because me na Nkwantabisa so complete 20 come me come any budget because justice kind it's going to serve the people of this country. Yeah. Idea be ma yen health system no so improvement I the abom. And to say 20 30 come man penny so I'm not even looking at the number. But I'm looking at the point to say oh man penny more 5 BDA. Yeah, we are.
Maybe to us, I'm struggling to understand you. 35. What if say 5 in a come one?
Nkwantabisa, the entire also Timas and say, Medica say, a man of 4 Esheboa, did ye benya woman, I was here Nancy Bibiso. Nkwantabisa, the low hanging fruit and they say, and command penny buy, it will not take much to operationalize the 5. I am heavy on the 5 because Nkwantabisa, baby as our 5 one, a very strategic. Oba for you constituency, you need district hospital for you constituency. The 3 hospitals I run, Tech Hospital, Odium, and Mena Hospital, they are all private. Into what facilities in so a war, Kokobindi, and say, me a Honda me war, and Nkwantabisa, I have told the hospital when on my penny Kati Sodno. You book or baby, and you know, I am very heavy on that because Nkwantabisa. So my penny, yeah, no, my it will not take even 2 months to do that. Near Yaka was some 35 in. We have not been told to say, Omoya audit new year, no, or man, you find the bisa near Minister Nebakacha says, Kadibia Consulate, is it going to be re-awarded? And now, sir, contractors no more, no more. Na ABS Kabia Kamua, you go to your mom, Mama Twas one as saying those processes will take a bit of time. I'm going to be to take a bit of time. 35 for Mampeni can have some crap. Or my who say, these specific ones are ABA do 80, 70 or what level of completion. Internet that it will take maybe 1 year or 6 months or whatever time. But I'm going to be sir. Well, so this year,
about 7 months.
So, Nkwantabisa, near a better you a 7 months and more dear we. And then Nkwantabisa, we no, the Okasu operationalize here, it will take you less than 2 months. No, my dream is say, oh, man, penny 35 no complete my any budget home. But your best to say, 5 now, you no dear. Your best to operationalize here, no my. Whilst he is also tackling the 35 no also then oil 35 point me anya no you 20 kwampa e be boy and some man because na making e be di nipa ye enkwa na mom fast 5 no de na Nkwantabisa be strong man pani ne meter candle say those 5 are ready for use. They are ready for operationalization. The best say near I was say e komu bia animu bia no omo enhwe sa 5 no omo operationalize na maye ahotoso eni nkranhye se 35 no so obeye no obe complete obe try to complete na mwa o man no e ma pomuden enko nanim
me that's it that's when it was a few one
a little bit of a battle me I alluded to the fact that 2026 budget NDC government Masikabia and also allocating any funds for the agenda 111, which I believe that it is factually inaccurate. Kitty, the story or say the government or say the President John Mahama led government has in the 2026 budget and economy outlined several ambitious projects, key agenda 111 projects of 4 key previously abandoned hospitals. The President has committed to spend 110 million Ghana cedis on the project in the 2026 budget. Timmy they are sending a producer or Timmy they are to be able to say buying budgeting for the project. It is factually inaccurate. In fact, in the 2026 budget, buying the HSICA 100 million the ASR project. Now, another story was 35 contractors 35 hospitals. Maybe show any man yet then a Kokobin he ruled in our buying commission. This is a story that was published on March 10th, 2026. Or say 35 contractors paid $7.9 million under Agenda 111. After work audit, as we speak, there were 35 of the contractors ban yetua $7.9 million e de amomo omo ye de omo ye adwuma. What happened to the Kokobeng hospital project is that about President Akufo-Addo commission project no it's on record say contractor ne say sika na was say the man no you it is common like the AC Oweja no but okay say Nancy a real hospital do Oweja MPP for say yen konko commission not knowing that the World Bank had flagged that project Heseketa seshani prohibia de akoso ti irrespective of say project ni si why de ye we no contractor na hand project ni over to the government of Ghana say bi pepepe na de akoso e okokoben ho see esi project ni over ambitious meaning ye wo KNUST Medical Center esi ho ana project ni nearly 60% completion e die ben na CMPP for kwan say KUST hospital no bubewie na nka serve the good people of Oforikum wo ye hwe han anya hospital no na wo share ba ko ase fresh enu na NBC forecasters na wo sanka wo hwe na wo complete the e wo KUST medical center no ka wo wie ya anka bi asa problem onye de emma. These are the arguments of what of the NDC ye be koso aya bojo mahama abaso ni aka chen se onkoso nye committed ni aka chen se ye no hospitals no enye MPP for hospitals hospital ba ababe sum Ghana anything memufo yes onyi na mesum Ghana for na Ghana for nye de enya sum fa so
na Nkwantabisa na ba me justice answer efidie we efidie kese ya ye baso a asem bia ye kan bia na Nkwantabisa it must be back with evidence asma me kan ne say in the 2026 budget, there is no line item allocation say about to complete 35 project of Agenda 111. The 100 million that he talked about, I have 5 Agenda 111 hospital in the 35. So there will carry a story. I am talking about budget. I have read the Ministry of Health budget. My reading the budget in the bar.
The money also me I say can be.
And I'm going to be some because of
100 million. It wasn't for 35. It wasn't for 5. It was for 10.
10.
No, so was 35. No. The point I raised in the the president came to make announcement to say omo eba be see 30 omo be complete 35 and I'm asking my mechanic say
there's no budget.
There's no budget allocation in the 2026 as to say omo ba complete 35.
So you see
and I want to baba my say we say the mechanic enya no kre and your basis ne say a certain 100 million I also one country budget we say allocate who can store and I say no cap store and say 10. It's not even the 35.
So let me make my point. Let's say the president said he's completing 35. And I will say, yeah, I'm budgeted for that. And I'm who say, indeed, you're budgeted for 10. What the president is saying is that we are now calling on private persons to help us complete the 35. That is the argument of the president. Say, when you BOT, now the akana, a buying anti-mentia on Kano, Yemfama. Private persons no mako 35 no that is the position of the president this oka say ya am budgeted for it budget ni dey budgeted for 10 25 na aka be kan one na 35 no and the president aka say you be involved the private churches and the other state institutions
clearly then you cannot say the me cannot factually inaccurate because what you are saying
in a way is factually inaccurate.
No, but
35 no can say budget no say one budget
budget no
figure no 10.
No, but me make 35 as so you cannot tell me say your budget at the 10. I'm talking about the 35 that the president talk about. 35 is not making, and in the budget there is no line item that suppose say government is going to allocate this amount to complete 35 hospitals. That's the point I'm trying to make.
All right, quote the next one. Minority caucus, as Simon CJ IGP, they are yet to summon them on arrest of the MPP regional chairman. Na Ade Akye Abia, me story cry, rebel law, just
yes,
criminal libel law. Now, omutachi ono, justice. Why the Chief Justice and then who again? Maybe IGP. Mamimra of a clear. I don't know someone Chief Justice and IGP for this.
I'm going to be so. And your ma SC from say year 7 December 2024 now. I think sir the young people of the NDC to 7-year justice they should be the people who should be speaking against Enyama SCC. I'm saying this because for them they are young. They have a lot of years ahead of them to play around this game of politics. And to say, President be a course na senye papa, they should be worried. Because I'm penny for one day and I'm going to be out with pension. And to say that should be a buying as a son. Those who will be affected will be the young people of the NDC. And see, I am encouraging the young people of NDC to speak up. I was intimidation, political persecutions are air causeway. It may sound good to them today, but the bedroom may be they will look back and regret. We are nim our Emmanuel Samia Mamu Democrats Kwame Nkwantabisa. Both political parties in the past, we see some of these things. 1 or 2 are in a cassette here, but the level drew our for past 1.5 years no a started with Rambo style arrest. Sir, Nkwantabisa so I boni bia instead senka ye be invite no na oba nanka ye na go through process no be na Nkwantabisa na police for bia be 20 ni abestom ni fie na ya fro war ni abuni punani that forceful crasism arrest no
of criminal libel
and they start here and people spoke against and nyamada Roma police for no omo esesa omo nante kakra and those be for some time now for the police for they don't do the Rambo style of arrest bill, so now they invite. Now the second layer also here the investigative authorities no bail processes. And Nkwantabisa just some of the omo na ebi omusu amra bail na ye kase mo bi bail ya na Nkwantabisa the whole thing is said enema mienu one say nipa kro ebia na obede obedwane and say obe interfere with the investigative processes enema mienu we say nti and the Maya Kase and Nipebu Honma, Yamfan Concoto, Ebia remand. Because I'm Franco remand as your money bailer. Yes, so say, and shall obey Janet and now so obey interfere with investigations. Na and na could do Pempen so say, Nano Martin Pebu Echo Court, Emma near the Nimusenka build here, Meda any trees, Sanamanamaki, Mahu Bill, but and now Martin Pebu call court into Yamaya Yanyanchi will say a bibia available. Now they say investigative bodies no at the bail akwa ye punishment to the extent to say they say no ye ni na say ube dwane anasa ube interfere with investigation. Nemo me say ye hwesika ye investigate about no and also ye hwe at the mouth bail. And to say you investigate about an allegation of project 100 million Ghana cedis. Then we have to give you a bail condition of 3 times of Sesikano. That is not law. That is not due process. Say, Sika you investigate about and who ni jina at the amount of bail conditions. And no, and ye can was some say a new president here, a set here, Mestre say media men can civil society. Because I'll be speaking to the NDC young people. Said, Sir President Wayne, a be any ho, and I idea more air track to her or moon penny for and now investigative bodies air track to her no man. That channel woman never how or moon to a monkasa home. That also be a court. And Nkwantabisa, the judicial process, we have all lived in this country, at least for our youthful days. Who send your court a yo mudumedi. And ne who say court bako. And na abamu abanada mu nkofo ya chomu nyina no. Ya do mu court bako be. Nkwantabisa, the optics is not good. It may be for a good reason, maybe by jurisdiction, maybe that is the closest court. I ben they all live around the jurisdiction of that court. It can be so, but is it good for the optics? What's our judge? The man say
is it about the law about optics?
And because I'm speaking as a politician. It may be right in law. I'm not a law student or a lawyer, but the optics, is it good?
Okay. And
also no finally, Nkwantabisa, now you how judge for rulings ni biko. And when you have justice, we are all practicing democracy. When a judge is writing a ruling and writing a judgment, now making reference to autocratic leaders like Ade Akye Abia, ne ruling moi musuya mrano eya de papa. Media, I think say that is not a good thing. Na nyina muno ekostati free o mampeni do mahama, and I believe say the president should look back and advise himself, because Emra Mampeni estate yese all to Supreme Court di unanimous FC nota cash question NDC lawyers no catch almost say about reset the judiciary into more NDC for lawyers or more paper no more ensua de ye na omo ba oba reset no more so akoko balance court no
the ba sa na ehu ana.
But when you look at the way some judges fall or more ruling, no, I've taken my time to read rulings of judges. Utie bia now Shebia Nkwantabisa, it gives you the sense
in as much as we will try to speak, but we should speak with the issues, you understand? So what kinds of conditions I bill, yes, will be I do not know where he's speaking from, whether it's from a legal perspective or he's speaking as a normal man. Because one of the key principles a court or any person in authority will look at before giving bail the gravity of the offense. Bonne chrono no and the best the amount bail. It mean can't say work bonne $100 million. Me amount bail 100 cedis. Does that make sense to you? So we look at what you have done, the substantive matter. Asem no da hono. Me ahwe say we wakwa kukum nipa. It is a jane sa wonkwa e de ne be de ba it is ade a ye de fade we bra said ye be ya se wuni wumpo a e betimi de ade na e de in a way replace bone na why the wedi no. So for that one let's correct that. But
no, is that law?
You were speaking I was yes.
That is law. Okay, law. So Matthias and person will say law yeah.
Justice yes and so said the other hand no. In as much as section 96.7 Act 30 no. Yeah for per 2016 is it Martin Pigby no kokotia. But is it not a way so ya holistically people use that as a weapon. I don't know the word to use. For bill.
No, that is not. So if you are even given a bill and you feel that bill no so you can go for variations.
Yeah, that is true.
It is as I say call police force for 100 million cedis back. Now if you say 100 million cedis no so you can go to what the court and seek for variations. But the point I want to establish is that and they say be bill,
exactly.
But we must look at the substantive offense.
That is true.
But
since it's law, I agree. Since it's law, I agree. But what am I the specific law? But I agree. You are.
That's me too.
And the message Yanfa and on tour. But you see, no Kumanum and a University of Ghana student, UGMC student, how a pharmacy, who copied your placard say ye open University for Ghana Medical Center hospital ana John Mahama SCAW na President Akufo-Addo ba bem na omiye student ni ko pija placard keke heka chair President Akufo-Addo say omiye hospital na said be ya Ghana fo be kwa akwaja yaresa ye chi ni okruma nom ipa chona ni okruma ye chi no Power FM no. So we were.
That's why I don't want us to juxtapose.
No, please.
Let us make our case without juxtaposing what happened yesterday. And that's this.
So why didn't Dr. Baumia and somebody like you condemn it previously? Why?
Somebody like me, I condemn it.
Oh, good. So so we are addressing Dr. Baumia's position.
Okay.
So he was even the chairman of the police council.
Yeah, that's true.
And as chairman of the police council, Sisuku Niabofra. Ekoko page placard HCSC hospital ewi iti President Akufo-Addo mumia abone ben na waye. We were in this country Power FM for presenter okoka say judge for okeke cancel for judge want to say abroad he was jailed for 3 weeks. These are facts. What we know in this country, look at the Electronic Communications Act 775 section 76. It speaks about publication of false informations. Abronye specifically spoke about the judge. And yet they were brabetina honum said Brandon prove innocence. Etika Abronye ko no and ultimate court to say the party wo judge me say only NDC for air corner to do court to no yina dance by ABC dia ka court ni betimi holding responsible.
As it stands now, on prove it because he's still on remand.
Good, and so that is why we as citizens who remanded him.
Is it not the court?
Good. And so when you went to the court, he should have given an argument. And I said, I was saying, dance here, ebe prevent remand. No. He was
that's what people are saying. It's a main case. You will be 3 weeks. Remand in 2 weeks.
That's what I'm saying.
Of course, so it's perpetual. No, but the current situation is 2 weeks. That is
the point I am trying to establish is that. Se abronye court hono enu otimi ko prove say nsem na okan no o wa dance anko remand, but he was not able to prove his case. He said the one who alleges must prove. Who now say when we say judge we only NDC for Nakana, you couldn't prove it, and so if you could not prove it, I was saying we they suffer for some of these things. Right. It is high time. I was saying Ghana Hanom Yamanko for responsible for the things that they see. I only come on China Senior High School for Mofra 8.
Yeah.
Or mobile social media back what did they dismiss them? All these things happened under President Akufo-Addo and
that's
the NPP. Okay, Munti 3. Under the NDC and John Mahama made sure that they were what? They were imprisoned. Thank
you, Justice.
Abonya yesani ma we ama na koso ama adoso dodo.
0548931931 Hello, good morning. Good morning. Yes, sir.
Wala masa ku de ni jangoma.
Hey, Sak, mami ntia no pay.
Yo, mami ntia mbibi na ntia chama de no kokopia. Ntima kuka. Na ntia chama usu mponja zola kinsi bozu chuchu. Nsumichiana na kakra me pesa mekanize ni ya no NDC for no especially no communicators no material quality we no so to mutu the mama for oti ase no ni mfi awedi now udin yes via yes Ghana constitution so we be kura kira after 10 years on the team the Nigeria court you kure mu otukolo efe na na do don ko kufa do mera no president what is an yere ba no boni tirimko say abronye why there fine with the monseno na koko amu communicators you would say abaz nu dinu ya safoje anu ya afo no ya yimo okujeto mu na da dem so nti mu na mu ofutu amu ntunufo na nya de MPP so ba ye de san ma we ye de cheda we baba mando we tin na judge na prosecutor you ko judge na aje na no ko wo kan obo president mama o Supreme Court we be eti already asem na wanka anfa judges ho ntino say na mo be tra radio TV so mo defend MPP ya ti abroad intelligence news ma mo so that mo some so mo the say ba mi say the MPP anka ko mo so nka so na mo so ba na man ka mo ba te
that's Sak, thank you. Now so I don't know how to do this. Barbara Minya Honkwa na okay with the speed of light yanko ni tentem pa obed yanko nene ni nyina da so why okay kami yimi nwom no so amba okay mami nyina memfa speed pa ni enwi sports for no atenasia no sports for na atenasia no pay no okay happy birthday going out to Stephen Kwabena Boateng aka Steve Bolt, the legend of Toronto, Canada. Steve, today is your birthday, a glorious birthday to a brother. This is from Stephen Kwabena Boateng. Okay, for you, Stephen Kwabena Boateng, aka Steve Bolt, the legend of Toronto. May your life be filled with endless joy, good health, success, and God's abundant blessing. Thank you for being the source of strength, love, and inspiration. I'm proud to call you my brother. From your brother, Ketre Obi of Sompa TV. Happy birthday, Chairman Steve Vote. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Dennis Akowa. Hey, Dennis. You feel you time. On behalf of Sompa Morning Show crew and Sompa TV, I say happy birthday, Dennis. Enjoy this wonderful day, bro. Nyamisha no nyokese. And happy birthday to Nana Amma. May the Lord bless you on your special day, dearest. You are so beautiful, and today we wish you the very best. Nanama, happy birthday, beautiful one. And happy birthday to Corporal Anane Francis from 69 Airborne Special Force, Tamale. From Alex, say, happy birthday to you. You say, Yamisha, any more bro humao. You say, Yamisha, for Dumu Kwadum. You have been loved. Continue to serve the nation. Your people love you so much. Happy birthday, sir. And happy birthday to Hannah Amponsa at Accra, Dome. May the good Lord bless you and extend your years to live long and healthy from Emmanuel of Extra TV. Yakapo Emmanuel, our Extra TV. So my happy birthday, Hannah. And happy birthday to Master Olumine of Olumai Motus. Happy birthday. Use your reflection to help have an even better year that has passed, remembering the good times and taking lesson from the negative. From Kwame Ejako Sompa TV. So my happy birthday. He's proud of you. May God continue to bless you. And happy birthday to Abigail. May your birthday be filled with the warmth of sunshine, the laughter of loved ones, and magic of dreams. Abby, happy birthday to you. Coming from a Kwame Ejako of Sompa TV. So I'm a happy birthday, beautiful one. Abby, or sing a minyo kasepa. And happy birthday to Mrs. Charity Owusu. Oh, happy birthday to Belinda Banson. And that's at Emina Hospital. B. Bells, today is your happy birthday. Happy birthday, beautiful one. May God continue to bless you and shine and bright like a star. Happy birthday, beautiful one. And happy birthday to Mrs. Charity also free. Mrs. Charity also free. Mrs. Happy birthday. You say I'm sure na don't mount. You say I'm quatente upon the womb. I'm sure no your kese. And I order. Happy birthday to you. Sam Ray Sports for Atena say work Mbapa Orlando team nina ready to serve us. Mame sorry na anope omume magic no emayin.